Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into one of the most effective ways to keep track of your language learning progress, creating a tracker in Notion. Our first step is to open Notion on your device and create a new page. To do this, click the plus Add a Page button on the sidebar. This page is going to be the home for your language learning tracker. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space where you can monitor your progress and achievements. Next up, we're going to create a table. Click on the body of your new page and select the table template. This table is going to be the backbone of your tracker, holding all the data related to your language learning journey. Let me explain why this matters. Having a table structure allows you to clearly see your progress in different areas of language learning, like vocabulary, grammar, and speaking practice. Now that we've done that, let's customize the table. You can add different columns for the date, the type of activity, duration, and notes. To add a column, click on the plus Add a Column button on the right side of the table. This helps us because it gives structure to our tracker and makes it easy to input new data. The next step is to add a progress bar. Click on the body of your page again, choose the progress bar block, and drag it under your table. Now, every time you finish a learning activity, you can update the progress bar. This gives you a visual representation of your progress and a quick way to see how much you've accomplished. Moving on, let's add some more advanced features. Click on the three dots menu on the right-hand side of your table and select Properties. Here, you can enable Calculate and then choose Sum. This will automatically calculate the total duration of your language learning activities. The reason we do this is to have a clear understanding of how much time you've spent learning, which is a key factor in your progress. Before we wrap up, let's add a daily reminder. On your Notion sidebar, select All Updates, and then Reminders. Set a daily reminder to update your language learning tracker. This helps us because it ensures consistent tracking, which is crucial for making steady progress in language learning. And that's it. You've just created a personalized language learning tracker in Notion. This tool will help you stay organized, motivated, and on track with your language learning goals. Remember, the key to successful language learning is consistency and tracking your progress. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, keep learning.